Tommy, I watched your gaslighting interview with a random Imam on the roads of Palestine, more specifically in Jerusalem. And you asked the common questions regarding jizya tax, regarding slavery in the Quran. Of course, not mentioning that the Bible has similar references because those books were revealed at specific times in history. A numbskull like you wouldn't, of course, know the historical context. And that Imam, of course, blamed Kashmiris, people of Kashmiri descent, like myself, as having radicalized you. That's totally untrue. You have been exposed to many Imams and scholars who work for Prevent, who have explained Islam to you. And those Prevent type Imams, they are the ones who promote a two-state solution or an acceptance of soft Zionism. So my debate challenge to you remains, don't just grab random Imams on the road. I have challenged you to a debate on the Quran with regard to what you brought up, the jizya, the slavery, the jihad in the Quran. And of course, similar concepts are found in the Bible, in the Old Testament, but you will never question a rabbi on the verses in the Torah which mention killing of civilians, of children, of women, nothing of which is found in the Quran. You and your team of former Muslims, apostates, and your team of radicals, you have been challenged. So don't just grab random Imams on the road who do not even have a concept of the historical one-state Palestine, who do not even understand the deep history of that land. And you call yourself a patriot. Of course, you are more patriotic to what is known as the State of Israel. So don't cower away from this debate. I know you are a Neanderthal, of course, but I will still debate you nevertheless, because you gave citation to Ibn Kathir, you gave citation to classical Islamic scholars. I'm waiting for you to debate. You can have the debate in an open space if you want, like in Hyde Park, or even here in Birmingham. It's a safe zone in Birmingham. It's not a no-go zone as the Fox News claims. So I will be seeing you soon, Tommy. Do not hide away from me.